Hey y'all, welcome back to Christy's Cooking and Lifestyle channel. I'm going to show you how to do pulled pork using the SnS MasterKettle. I'm going to be running the kettle around 275 degrees. This right here is a 10-pound pork butt. I will use a mustard binder, you don't have to, and I'm just using a savory rub. I'm going to go ahead and score it, just something that I like to do. I try to keep one clean hand. Sometimes don't work out too good. I'll let it smoke for 4 hours uncovered. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Kettle's been holding steady right at 275. In the full pan, I have 2 Vidalia onions, some garlic, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit more of the rub I used. I'm going to go ahead and spray it one more time with some apple cider vinegar. And then wrap it up. I'm just going to let it go until it's tender. All right, it's been 7.5 hours. I just want to check it out, see what's going on in here. It smells amazing. Oh yeah, no wonder I had so much leakage when I was trying to pick it off the grill. It's all the way to the top. Oh, look at all that goodness. Oh yeah. Let me check how tender it is. Oh yeah, oh, there's just a nice little piece. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. 205, it is good to go. So much liquid in here, all that goodness. Trying to find the bone. Here we go, here we go. I don't want to lose any liquid. Probably need to transfer it to a different pan. Probably do. These gloves are not the best for this. They're good for anything hot, but they're slippery. So, I guess you could say that is a winner. I just want to dig in there, but I don't have enough room in this pan. Oh my goodness, look at that. I really thought I was going to have to go 9 hours when I saw it was a 10-pounder. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to dig into this. All right, I made some sauce, so I'm going to transfer this to another pan and add some sauce. I cannot wait to give it a try. All right, got a bigger container. Go see if I can get it in there without making a mess. These gloves are really slippery. Woo, very hot. Oh yeah, very hot. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Like I say, I really can't do a lot of pulling with these gloves because it just slips right out of my hand. You get the picture. You can eat it just like it is. It's plenty flavorful with the onions, the garlic, the cider vinegar, the rub. It's amazing. But I love barbecue sauce, and I've been making this same sauce for years. I don't know, 20 years or maybe longer, I don't even know. So I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to it. You don't have to. It's still hot. I'm going to try and mix it up a little bit. As it cools off, it'll thicken up. Whew. Here's a quick look at my plate. I hope I don't lose my Southern card. I am all out of sweet tea, so it's just Dr. Pepper for today. And if I wasn't eating on camera, you better believe that sandwich would be piled high with barbecue and dripping with sauce. I don't know about y'all, but I love to eat all the sides first. I gotta have some of this potato salad. It's so good. The mac and cheese. Delicious. All right, I need to get in this barbecue sandwich. I made it puny so it wouldn't have all the juices running down my arms. It just melts in your mouth. That pig died happy. I can taste it. I would drive 3 counties over for a plate of food like that. It's so good. And I cannot resist the deviled egg. These are all my favorites. It wouldn't hurt my feelings to have a little side of baked beans, though. It's so good. Man. You need to get yourself a slow and sear MasterKettle and give this foolproof pulled pork recipe, that's a mouthful, a try.